A powerful storm system is bringing strong winds to the Midwest, prompting high wind warnings across several states. The National Weather Service has issued warnings for parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan, effective until 8 p.m. tonight. Sustained winds of up to 40 miles per hour are expected, with gusts reaching as high as 60 miles per hour. The strong winds are likely to cause significant disruptions, including power outages and property damage. Residents are advised to secure outdoor furniture and decorations, and to avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. The storm system is also bringing heavy rain, with totals reaching up to 2 inches in some areas. Flooding is not expected, but ponding of water on roads is possible. The high wind warning will remain in effect until the storm system moves out of the region tonight. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.